Something monumental is happening, and the Shiba Inu development team has broken their quiet. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inus or own SHIB tokens. What then has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? What effect will this have on the Shiba Inu's worth? Today I'll be answering all of your questions and sharing all the new information that has just surfaced regarding Shiba Inus in my video. This movie is the result of extensive research on my part. Therefore you won't want to miss a thing, so keep watching till the very end. 1 million Shiba tokens are up for grabs every day on this channel, which brings us up to speed. Simply becoming a subscriber, like the video, and commenting with the hashtag Shiba Inu will get you entered. Hope everything works out. However, before we get into our subject, how about we examine the chart to see the behavior of the Shiba price on December 28th. Approximately 2,191 units are being sold today as Shiba Inus. On a $335 million trading volume, SHIB's price has fallen 4% in the past 24 hours. With a market cap of more than $12.9 billion, the token is now the 16th most valuable cryptocurrency. Remember that all rates are subject to change at the time of video release. Keep in mind that this is not a financial advisory. The video for today is ready to go. SHIB burns increased by a whopping 360% following a critical new development. A tweet updating the quantity of SHIB main coins destroyed by the Shiba Inu community was issued earlier today by the popular wallet tracker Shiba. Following yesterday morning's announcement by the SHIB team on the launch of early access to the SHIB metaverse, the tracking platform stated that the burn rate has accelerated dramatically. A 360% spike was observed in SHIB burns. According to the data source stated before, there has been a staggering 360% increase in the rate at which SHIB meme coins are being removed from circulation in the last 24 hours, with a total of 23.7 million Shiba in fresh supply. At 22.9 million SHIB, the biggest average coin lump ever burned in a one transaction. 3x coins were removed from the market in the past week and sent to inaccessible wallets. According to the tweet from Shibran, the burn rate has decreased by 47.37%, even though 66.7 million SHIB were destroyed. Metaverse is released by SHIB Corporation. After years of development, the SHIB team has finally granted early access to Metaverse, a virtual world exclusively for SHIB users, earlier this week. To access it, one must first link their wallet, purchase a virtual plot of land on which they can construct a house, and then create an avatar to inhabit the Metaverse. It has several public areas called hubs where people can go to unwind, meditate, form groups, talk about anything, and generally have fun in the virtual world. The mysterious SHIB Chidoshi Kusama took delight in the Metaverse team's launch, as she conveyed in today's X post. The Treat token, which will have extensive application in the Metaverse, is also about to be launched by the team. Aside from that, the SHIB website states that the new coin will bring a plethora of additional chances for the SHIB army, including access to the yield farming mechanism and a future that is more innovative and linked. It would mean the world to me if you could hit that like button if you're still here. You can support the channel without spending a time. However, stay tuned for more Shiba Inu news and updates, as well as predictions for the future of the Shiba Inu currency. The Shiba Inu experience enormous exodus when the whales migrate billions of miles. Can you tell me what the future holds for the rate of SHIB? In the past 2 days, the price of meme coins has fallen along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. The second largest meme currency by market size, Shiba Inu, lost 3% in the past day as the sell-off turned sharply. Along similar lines, other meme tokens have traded, further reducing market groups. The asset's value has dropped even lower in the past day after whales sold off large quantities of SHIB tokens, sending it into the red zone. The Lookchain crypto analytics team saw an unusually high volume of sales. In an effort to cash out before the market takes a nosedive, a crypto whale sold 250 billion SHIB tokens for about $6 million. The trader made a profit on their SHIB portfolio in August 2020, when they bought $15.2828 trillion SHIB for $3 million SHIB for $3,800,000. Following bull cycles and community-wide accumulations, the average coin's price has skyrocketed since then. The whale made $109 million and now has $52 million in assets. Similar patterns of other whales selling off their holdings have led to this sale. The community reacted negatively to the transfer of 43 billion tokens to an anonymous wallet on Deck 16. Due to market structure and price fluctuations, meme coins are prone to large swings. Come together following the storm. Meme coins during a decline can cause a crypto bulk cycle frenzy. she thinks there will be an uphill battle that U.S. institutional investors will start. Following the U.S. elections, the asset's value increased by more than 90% before the decline. Investors who were hoping for a loosening of government regulations pushed their money into meme coins, hoping for the next surge in value. Also in preparation for next year's predictions, institutional investors repositioned their holdings. The altcoin season is another item that can cause people to buy more cryptocurrency. This is marked by the cyclical movement of capital away from Bitcoin and into other assets. This month, as whales transfer their funds to other assets. Several analysts have predicted an altcoin season. Nonetheless, recent outflows and waning attitudes highlight the continued importance of volatility. The meat of today's video is about to begin. The price of Shiba Inu is looking up due to whales. But if 2025 brings substantial growth, according to the analyst, SHIB might be able to get closer to a new record high. In New South Wales, Shibas are bullish. It seems that Shiba Inu new whales are making the most of the positive short-term outlook, buying 2.79 trillion SHIB worth more than $60 million in less than 24 hours was a noteworthy transaction involving addresses holding at least 0.1% of SHIB supply. Large holders' renewed interest in the asset class, driven by the possibility of a price increase, is seen in this massive accumulation. Neither is this pattern unique. All through the month, similar massive purchases have been noted. These actions bolster SHIB's market position and indicate that key players are gearing up for an upcoming breakout. If whales are buying and selling an asset, it usually means they think its price is going up. The overall trend of Shiba Inu may be about to change according to the macro momentum. With the average directional index hovering around the 25.0 mark, it appears that the persistent bearish trend is starting to fade. In order to pave the way for a recovery in SHIB's price, a decline below this level would indicate that the negative pressure is abating. An uptick in whale activity coincides with this waning negative momentum, suggesting that investors are feeling better about Shiba Inu. Assuming SHIB receives adequate purchasing support from both individual and institutional investors, a further decline in the ADX could serve as a stimulus for an upward advance. The SHIB price is expected to break out soon. The price of Shiba Inu has not been able to recoup its losses and move toward $3,306 because it is still below the $2,341 barrier level. There will be no major recovery in the near future because this critical level is still restraining upward momentum. Nonetheless, SHIB may be able to break through the $2,606 resistance level according to the positive indicators discussed earlier, consistent with bullish market mood and whale behavior. The possibility that Shiba Inu may succeed in spite of these challenges could lead to a price increase, recovering losses and breaking the 3,306 unit barrier minus 50% above the current price is the short-term goal for the meme currency. This can only happen in the next few weeks if the 2,976 unit level is likewise turned into a support level. SHIB could end up merged above 2,093 units. Important support and resistance levels are in place to ensure a successful recovery, as further falls below this level would render the bullish thesis useless. Believers in the Shiba Inu team and the cryptocurrencies' practical utility have told us that many of our subscribers will hang on to millions of SHIB tokens for the foreseeable future and refuse to sell them. Tell me how many are in your possession? Please disclose all of your SHIB holdings in the space provided below. The SHIB holder deserves praise for having faith in the procedure. If you're having fun with the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin in the comments. In addition, if you would want to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video, you should enable post notifications.